Assalamualaikum, New Horizon School. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi. Can I speak with Jasmine?
Jasmine?
Yep.
I'm sorry, you might have the wrong number. May I know what is this about?
Yeah, it's about the supplies, janitorial supplies.
Oh, you mean Yasmin?
Yasmin, I'm so
Um,
sorry. Yeah, Yasmin.
okay, no
Yes.
worries, no worries. She's no longer working with us.
Oh, I got you. So who's the director right now?
That would be me.
Oh, perfect then. So I had a conversation with Yasmin before. I was actually
Mm-hmm.
calling you from EnviroMaster. It's a renowned janitorial supplier company. We
Mm-hmm.
basically provide high quality cleaning supplies to the schools and medical facilities only. And like we offer a range of products like eco-friendly disinfectants, sanitizers, touchless dispensers, towels, tissues, soaps, and like what sets us apart is our first delivery and flexible order size. So you will never run low on your essential supplies. So, like, as we are already working in our neighborhood with some of our active accounts in there, so I was just calling to see if we can stop by at your place as well, maybe next week someday, and give you a consultation and show you some of our products, a product
Would
catalog,
you be
samples.
would
Hmm.
would you be able to send me a quote of the products or maybe what type of products you have, how much they are, on an email so I can take a look before I make an appointment with the consultation?
Yeah, like I can send everything to the email, but you can negotiate the prices face to face with my manager. It will be more helpful
Mhm.
for you. So it will take like 15 to 20 minutes of yours, maybe next week, Monday or Tuesday, any day you prefer, at your convenient time, because we're already working in there. That's why I was just calling to see if we can stop by, because I had a conversation with Yasmin more than 6 months, yeah, 7, 8
Mhm.
months ago.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the reason I was calling you because we're already working in there, so that's why I was just
Mhm.
saying. If you have any convenient time, we can stop by and show you some of our samples. And after that, if
Mhm.
you feel like we can help your cleaning needs, you might make any decision if you want to buy products from us or not. It's totally up to you.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay,
Yeah.
so next week,
Okay.
Monday sounds good to you? Monday?
Please send me the email first, and then we'll go from there, if you don't mind.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course. I'm just setting the appointment for you. I will also shoot some info into your email. You can check it out. And if you want to
Mhm.
reschedule the meeting, you can let us know. My manager will call you before I arrive at your place.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, so Monday, which time you prefer? If you stop by, like morning or afternoon?
Monday around maybe around
Around, pardon?
1 o'clock, 1 p.m.
1 o'clock, 1 p.m.
Mhm.
Okay. And Miss, can I have your name again?
Shaki Anwar.
Shaki Anwar. Gotcha.
Mhm.
So Shaki, I have your address here. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's 434 Vermont Avenue,
Mhm.
and the zip code is 90020, right?
That's correct. Yes.
I gotcha. And Shaki, is there any list of products that you wanna prices on to see the prices on? Like anything
We're using
specific?
center pull the hand towels, the center
Mm-hmm.
pull hand towels, and then automatic dispenser soap, toilet paper, kitchen towels, and
Mm-hmm.
like all-purpose cleaner for the floor and for the surfaces.
Gotcha. And anything else? Anything specific?
Not that I can think of, but if I remember anything, I can
Mhm.
just reply back to the email.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, of course, of course. So, Shaki, I'm done from my side. You can just mark on your calendar. My manager will call you on Monday, and he will also shoot the information about our company profile portfolio into your email. You can check it out. And can I have an email address so that I can send a confirmation about this appointment?
It's info@newhorizonla.org.
Info@newhorizonla.org. I gotcha. Okay then.
Correct.
So, Shaki, you can just mark on your calendar. See you on Monday at 1 then. Okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, take care of yourself. Have a nice one, Shaki.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.